Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to cook cauliflower Manchurian. So here's our ingredients: 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 inch ginger, 500 grams cauliflower soaked in salt water for 15 minutes, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 medium-sized capsicum, 1 medium-sized carrot, and 1 medium-sized onion, and 5 cloves of garlic, and spices: black pepper, sugar and salt, and oil for frying. So now we are going to wash our cauliflower. I drained the water because it was having salt. So here's a pan. In a pan I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and half teaspoon of black pepper, followed by 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and a glass of water. Now we're going to mix our batter. Just make sure there's no lump in it. Actually guys, it is according to water that you are going to use, is really according to the batter. If you see that the batter is need a little bit more water, then you can add it. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and just a few drops of oil to make the fried cauliflower crispy. Then mix it nicely, and this is how it looks like. So now we are going to add our cauliflower florets in it. So now we are going to coat all the cauliflower florets with our batter. So this is how it looks like, guys. Make sure that it is all coated with the batter. Yeah. So our oil is heated, I guess. So we are going to test it. We are going to drop 1 drop of our batter. So it was good, it was heated. So now we are going to lower the fire, and we are going to start frying our cauliflower. Just drop it one by one to make it separated, otherwise it will stick together. So now it is golden brown, it is cooked. So we are going to remove it and put it in the kitchen paper to drain all the excess oil in it. So in a pan we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil actually is from the previous oil. So we're going to add our garlic, chopped garlic, fry it until golden brown, then followed by the onion. Now saute the onion until it becomes translucent. It's about 2 minutes, and then followed by chopped ginger. Now saute the ginger about 2 minutes too, and followed by the carrot. So cook the carrot until it becomes soft, like it's about 3 minutes, and followed by the capsicum, and saute the capsicum until it becomes cooked, and followed by the soy sauce and tomato sauce, and the spices: black pepper, sugar, and a little bit of salt. Salt is according to your taste. Actually guys, it is always according to your taste. So now we are going to add our water. This is 1 cup of water. So for me it is not enough, so I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. This is not a dry Manchurian guys, this is with a gravy. That's why I'm adding 2 cups of water. So let's wait until the water come to a boil. So now it is boiling. So I added our vinegar. So I'm mixing it now. It looks perfect. So now here I'm making a slurry. This is half cup of water. I put 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Make sure that there's no lump in it. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So now I'm adding it into the gravy to thicken it. Yeah, this is perfect. So now this is the time to add the cauliflower that we have fried before. So this is how it looks like guys. Stir it and just boil for a minute. And now this is the time to garnish with the coriander leaves. So now it is ready. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below if you got some comment, and please like if you like the video. Thank you.